Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Okay, this video is about answering a viewer's question. Let me get the question. I do the videos of answering the questions because most of the time the questions are just too much of an answer to type out in the comments. So the viewer asks, may I ask if you emptied out your closets and drawers and washed everything? Okay, I did not. I did not empty out my closet at all. I took things out of my drawer and I just lined the drawer up with Dr. Matrix Earth and put everything back in. I had a light infestation, so it didn't get to the point where they got into my closet. But it may be that way for you or someone else who may be watching. The whole point of that video, that very first video, is to give you ideas on what you can do to get rid of them, because it is a process to getting rid of them. So just because I did not empty my closet and take things out doesn't mean that you don't have to. You have to pay attention, look around, try to pay attention to where you're seeing them at and things like that. Now, if you feel like you need to take everything out your closet, wash what you can, steam your closet out, let your closet dry, line the inside of your closet with Dr. Matrix Earth and up on the closet shelf, which I would recommend even if you don't have to take everything out. But to answer your question, no, I did not take anything out my closet. I lined the inside of the closet on the floor around the walls with Dr. Matrix Earth. I lined the shelf at the very top of the shelf. I just lined the shelf with Dr. Matrix Earth. And I lined the outside of the closet, leading anything to go into the closet will have to cross that border of Dr. Matrix Earth in order to get into the closet. Okay, let's see what the other part of your question. Did I take everything out and wash everything? No, I did not have to wash everything. What I did do, I washed everything on my bed. I took everything off of all the beds, all the linen, and washed everything in hot water and dried it 3 or 4 times on high heat. I did do that. Now, the other things that I may have had, as far as clothing and things that was just around the room outside of the closet, I tied everything up in bags and I just left everything tied up. I inspected everything thoroughly, made sure nothing was in it, and I tied everything up in bags. And I left everything tied up in bags until that the whole infestation ordeal was over with. Okay, let's see if what's next. Or did you use the steamer you bought? I watched the video to the end. But it sounded like you just did one thing. No, I never had to use my steamer. And I had a handheld steamer and a big steamer, and I never had to use either. But again, you may have to. Again, you may have to take everything out your closet. You may have to wash all your clothes. You may have to empty your drawers. What I would say is, I have a playlist. I have a playlist of a lot of videos. I believe it's over 100 now. But go through the playlist, look at the titles, read the titles, and view what applied to you. It's kind of hard to tell the whole entire process, just right now, right off the back of my mind, because it's been a few years since I had them, and then I did have them a second time, but that's also in the video. The reason I created the playlist is just for situations like this, so I don't have to try to remember everything. It's everything that happened as it took place is recorded. So take a look, go to the playlist and look at the videos, the ones that apply to you. Of course, you don't want to watch a whole 100 videos. But again, as to reiterate in the recap, I did not wash everything. I did not take anything out of the closets. And I did not use the steamer at all. But you may have to. The reason I created the playlist, though, is just so it could help people in the process alone, them getting rid of these bugs, just know that you can get rid of them. And I hope I answered your question to the best of your abilities, because I sure tried to answer it to the best of mine. Okay, but look through the playlist, go through the playlist, and you'll get all the help you need once you go through and read those titles. If you need to, leave another comment and I will answer it to the best of my ability. Okay, guys, this is it for this video. Thank you for tuning in. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day. See you on the next one.